Hello traders, this is Sherry. It's 1:40 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. It's Friday market and Friday market evening is not good. That's why I will just try to play some good trades in the Friday normal market because from Saturday and Sunday we will be having we what we call it OTC session, right? So OTC market is mid fluctuating and Friday market is also not good. You can see that normally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday market is better than the Monday and Friday because Monday is the opening day of the normal market and Friday is the closing day of the normal market. That's why, but I can see that the at this time I can see that the buyers are having a good healthy candles and it's a momentum and I don't see any reversal pattern here. That's why I placed my trade here for higher option, right? So let's wait for the trade to close. So buyers are strong at this time, and I'm expecting that buyers will put pressure and will go higher side up to this position. Let's see. Oh, we lost this trade because there was fluctuation, and because of that we lost our trade. That was our bad luck, right? Because I can see that buyers are strong at this point, so buyers should have placed a good pressure at this time, but because the market is Friday market, so we will we will be safe. We need to basically trade in a very safe position. So it's okay. It's okay. We will try to place one more trade. This was the position where should have placed our trade. I don't think we mistakenly placed our trade here. Um, it's okay. The momentum started from here, and it's a buyer's area here, and also a trend line here. So that's why. Seems like buyers are struggling at this time, right? So this is basically breakout of the level, right? But we will trade with in a safe because we have already lost our first trade. So this is trend line currently market has created. See this one. Okay, I have placed $20 trade here because the hammer at the level shows that market will put a good pressure on the market to create a good buyer's healthy candle. That's why I placed my trade here for higher option. This seems like rejection from the level, but we have a good margin, so we will win this trade. So we will win this trade and we will check and we will follow the market. Let's see how market is reacting this position because it's at the level now and seems like market will there is a rejection area is this one, right? So we can go for higher option once market um, breaks this level. This is a level currently I can see. If market is able to cross this level, then obviously uh, let's readjust it to so, okay. So this is basically current position of market, right? Currently, buyers are struggling to break the level, but they are not able to. They are putting pressure. Now it's a basically competition between buyers and sellers, right? You don't need to compete with the market. Let market compete accordingly. So I can see that buyers are trying to put more pressure. Seems like there is a breakout. It could be a little bit fake breakout or something like that. But this candle will decide that either we should go for higher option or lower option, right? Once this candle is closed, then we can decide for that we should trade for higher or lower, right? Till now, till then we should wait. Okay, so from the level, the strong sellers entered, and you see again the this candle has reached to the buyer's level. So because the buyers are so strong, seems like they will go lower side. That's why I'm not placing my trade for higher option because at this point you see this is previously the level, right? And we should mark another level here, which is here, this one, this one. Okay, so this is support zone, right? So we should have placed our trade here, but because the volume was so high, so sometime it happens that there is a breakout when there is no uh, wick, all right, and all these were having wick. If there was a level, if the candle was like that, I would have gone with buyers, but because this is something that was not, I was not sure about it. So it has been previously level as well. So I'm not going for buyer's option, but I can wait for the market to give a good opportunity. Let's open Euro USD as well. Sometime it reflects what's happening here. See, sellers have entered again. So this is breakout, right? We can mark this as a level as well. Okay, so we will mark this level as well in the Euro USD chart, right? The health of sellers shows that there should be breakout, right? But because of previous buyers presence, I'm not placing any trade right now. So this could be a retracement candle, but if it is an engulfing pattern, then obviously if we are not sure about it, we won't do gambling. Okay, I'm placing my trade here, $8 trade with the sellers because of this momentum, right? But I can see buyers presence in the history as well. So let's see if we are able to win this trade as well. I'm expecting a huge rejection like this. Let's see, because the main level is here. So we can expect that there will be a seller's entry from this point. Okay, we lost this trade. Why we lost this trade? Because our entry point was not that good. Hmm. I will place one more trade and then we'll see if we can. I have placed $15 trade here, and the reason is that uh, this is a very strong trend line, and whenever the buyers reaches here, they basically create a good momentum of buyers, right? Therefore, I have placed my trade here for higher option again. So we are winning this trade, right? Okay. I will try to place one more trade here, but I'm expecting one retracement candle here because of um, this rejection, right? One retracement candle of sellers will be there, and then we can again go for higher option. See, one retracement candle is here. We need to see how strong this candle appears. Accordingly, we can place our trade for higher option. Okay, I have placed my trade here for higher option here because of this retracement candle, and I'm expecting that there will be entry of buyers again from this point. But I'm not going to place another trade in between here because this seems that market may go down up to this position, then again retrace. But I'm expecting a buyer's entry from this point because of this hammer, right? Let's see if we are winning this trade or not. If we would have waited here, it would have another good opportunity. But we mistaken. We didn't wait for the market to reach this position. Okay, so we are winning this trade. We won this trade as well, and I will again wait for the market to put more pressure on the sellers. Um, if market is again down, then we can again place for higher option because it seems like a little bit consolidation area at this point. So it's in benefit that we will get more often good opportunities. So once market is closed, then we can place our trade. Okay, I place my trade here for higher option again because of this pattern currently appearing in the market. If it is getting again rejected, then it will be in favor. If there is breakout, then obviously it's never was in our favor. It will retrace again and go higher side. Sometime market creates a new low and then again buyers pressure. So this is very similar, but I have observed. Okay, we lost this trade. It's okay. It's okay because um, we won the previous two trades because of the buyers, and there was a rejection, right? That's why we lost our trade. I want to see if market is able to penetrate again. Otherwise, going with the buyers will be not a good idea. See, buyers again penetrated. Okay, I have placed my $20 trade here because the third candle is I'm expecting that the third candle will create will basically place some more pressure on the buyers, and there will be a very huge candle up to this. That's why I have placed my $20 trade here. Um, but my entry point, I don't know why it hits here. I thought to place my trade here, but it's okay. We are going to win this trade. We are 10 seconds left, and we won this trade. So I was little shocked to see the reaction. That's why my words were not helping me to explain, but to somehow I achieved and I managed to take a good profit out of it. Let's close the market right now. I will show you the trades I have placed right now. The first trade is based on basically volume, which I mistaken. Sometime it happens that when there is a good engulfing pattern, right? It's not engulfing, to be very honest, but because of the volume and there was no such level here. I thought that there will be a buyer's pressure. Sometimes you have this that instinct with the volume and that, so it couldn't I couldn't create a good. So this was my second trade. This was a support zone, and the this candle was positive sign to go for call option, and I placed $20 trade. I won this trade. This trade was lost, right? Um, this was basically mistaken trade. This was not obviously a justified trade. I'm not able to justify this trade. This should have been a buyer's trade because initially I couldn't create a trend line there, and I was wholly focusing on this. I'm human. I also make mistakes, right? So that's why I lost this trade. But honestly, it was a call option. It should have been call option, not buyer's option. Sometimes you basically don't focus whole market. You just focus on the very short past candles, which create a big trouble in your analysis. Okay, so this was based on the buyer's momentum, and the same trend line was there, and there was a good momentum, and I placed my trade here and I won this trade. Similarly, you can see it was a ranging market that after one retracement, I'm expecting the buyer's momentum, and same happened. Here I also expected that it will be rejected, but it was a breakout. And when buyers tried to enter into market, they couldn't manage to create a good healthy candle because sellers were stronger at this time. Big and which is you can see this volume and the body of the candle shows. So this was also a mistaken trade. I should have waited here. Sometime because of fast entry, you couldn't manage to do that, but somehow I managed to do that right now. And this trade was also a good winning trade. Um, but I should have waited to reach here with marginal safety. It is suggestion that always trade with marginal safety. Whenever I'm sure about it that okay, I'm 70 to 80%. There's no 100% sure of any trade, to be very honest. You are when I'm more than 50, 60, 70 to 80% sure about this, then I risk my amount to because whenever you risk your amount, you have more chances to get a profit out of it. So it was a good session, a Friday session. If you like the way I'm trading, if you want me to explain anything or something, please reach out to me, and happy trading. Keep learning. I know there's today's my winning percentage is not good, but because of Friday market as well, and sometimes you don't have that mindset as well, right? I'm a bit tired and have so lot of work to do and lot of assignments to do as well, and have so many clients to basically deal with. I because I do coaching on Zoom sessions as well. So please like, share, and subscribe if you like the way I'm training. Thank you so much. Bye bye.